Have you ever wondered how a massive airplane weighing hundreds of tons can actually stay in the sky? It flies at over 900 kilometers per hour, at an altitude where humans cannot survive without protection. But what's even more fascinating is that airplanes hide many unbelievable secrets. Today, you'll discover 10 airplane facts that sound like fiction, but are completely real. Let's get into it. Airplanes are struck by lightning regularly, on average once or twice a year. But passengers usually don't notice it because the aircraft is designed to safely conduct electricity across its outer shell without any damage. Airplane tires are extremely strong. They are inflated to pressures above 200 pounds per square inch and can withstand landing speeds of over 250 kilometers per hour. Imagine a vehicle hitting the ground as hard as a multi-story building drop and surviving it effortlessly. Modern airplanes can fly even if one engine fails. If one engine stops working, the remaining engine can keep the aircraft flying safely. Some planes are even capable of crossing entire oceans on a single engine. That tiny hole in airplane windows is not a defect. It's called a bleed hole, and it helps regulate air pressure between the layers of glass. Without it, the windows could fog up or even crack at high altitude. Airplane wings are designed to bend. During turbulence, they can flex several meters up and down. And that's completely normal. In fact, it makes the aircraft safer by absorbing pressure and stress. The black box is not actually black. It is bright orange, so it can be easily found after an accident. It records everything, from cockpit conversations to flight data. Airplanes are more fuel efficient at high altitudes. The air is thinner, so there is less drag. This means the aircraft burns less fuel and travels more efficiently through the sky. Pilots on long flights are given different meals. This is done on purpose to reduce the risk of both pilots getting food poisoning from the same meal. Safety always comes first, even in small details like food. Pilots on long flights are given different meals. This is done on purpose to reduce the risk of both pilots getting food poisoning from the same meal. Safety always comes first, even in small details like food. Now you know 10 incredible facts about airplanes that most people have never heard before. Airplanes are not just transportation. They are masterpieces of engineering, where every single detail is designed with precision. If you enjoyed this video, comment more aviation facts. And don't forget to subscribe, because there's much more coming.